Okay, in the last video I added to the city the attribute inhabitants and linked the city and inhabitants together so that if we enter a city, we can now say the city name like Hamburg, and I can say in Hamburg are living 2.5 million people. And what I want to do now is to define megacities which have at least 5 million inhabitants. Therefore, I go to the city and define a subset. The subset is called megacity. And megacities contain all cities anyway. And I need to define what cities fit into these megacity category. So I attach a subset query, but there is none. So I need to create a query. This is the megacity. And the query editor is opened with the name. And now the question is what we're looking for. Here on the right side we have all the available data model we can use. And here we have the result window. So I want to get the cities in the query, and I need all the data from here into here if I want to do calculations. Therefore, I also need this here, even when I don't display it in the result. To define, if I execute this here now, I got all the cities where the result has inhabitants as I defined it here. But I want to filter it down to only those who have more than 5 million users. So I need to go here, right click and say add selection. With a selection I can say okay, I want to use this variable, and the number of inhabitants needs to be larger than 5 million. So this needs to be logically true, and we validate that, and in this case it's valid. The result is only a logical test, and we have the feature selection here, and I save it, and if I execute it I can see that only London, Los Angeles and New York fit the required of more than 5 million inhabitants. So those are the megacities. If I go here now to the megacities, still all cities are within the megacity category. But now I can attach a subset query, the megacity query, and now only those 3 cities are in the megacity category which fit the criteria more than 5 million inhabitants. So if I would now, let's say, want to do a category with all cities which have an airport, I would say Well, that's a thing for the next video. Thank you.